There is a chance of errors in Vlookup function. If the lookup values are not same in both sheets, then function will not recognize the exact match and it will return error. Activate cell F17. In this cell you can see month is before the date. If I type date before the month, then function will return error. Let's check out. Press enter. Function returns error because lookup values does not match to the first column of data table. Click data table sheet, activate cell D12. Type date before the month. Press enter. Now again activate errors in Vlookup function sheet. Now you can see the result is same as well as before. In this time function return the correct result because the lookup value matches the first column of data table. If you retrieve value by ID, then make sure ID is same in both sheets. Let's suppose I type AD1234. Press enter. Click in data table sheet. Type same ID 1234. Press enter. You can see function returns correct result because ID matches in both sheets. As well as Vlookup function first match the lookup values, then it returns the result. So make sure the lookup values are same in both sheets. If these values are different, function will return errors.